This place looks cool. I've never been before. We met in Arizona at a brewery almost 7 years ago. I was doing my surgical training in Phoenix. I'm a general surgeon.
We've been coming in and out of Minneapolis for a couple of weeks,
Yeah, staying with my parents, bringing the dog. It'll be nice when this is over. Lindsay did send us some older houses, which is something I'm looking for, maybe with a little bit of character.
The thing that concerns me about, the older houses is, yeah, even the ones that are renovated and a little more modern inside, you don't know what's underneath the drywall or stuff like that. I'm a little nervous about being a first-time homeowner. It's a lot. You're responsible for everything. That's why a new build is something that I would like to have. It doesn't have to be brand new, but the newer the better.
You just can't get some of that character with the newer houses. I like the craftsman style or bungalow style houses, maybe a front porch, something that has character and charm.
I mean, obviously we have some different preferences. I'm okay, putting 800,000. If we go a little bit higher, we can find something that's absolutely perfect for us.
I don't feel very comfortable going above 700. We have other expenses, student loans to pay off. If we can't agree on a house, we're gonna be in trouble because our jobs are soon approaching and we don't have a lot of time left.
Today, they're in the hip Cooper neighborhood to see an updated historic home.
This is nice. I would run in this area.
So we could even bike there with Bo.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's a 100-year-old house and there's updates, but the possible for plumbing not working, that's concerning.
Yeah, but it seems like they've done a lot of work to it and listed for $675.
I don't love the fact this is on a corner. It's gonna be a lot to shovel if we're responsible for that.
I think that's on us, but we can figure that out. I like the character of this house.
Hey, Lindsay, good to see you.
You too. So, what's your first impression?
I really like the exterior of it, the character, the brick, but I was really hoping we would find a front porch.
You have a mudroom at the front entry, which likely would have been a porch.
Okay.
Newer windows, 4-year-old roof, nicely insulated. So could be a good opportunity. Herringbone tile.
Modern touches. Bo won't track in the dirt of this that will be here versus it looks like this is original hardwood.
It's beautiful original hardwood floors.
I love these floors.
I'm not really feeling this is like a open floor plan.
But we can still see into the kitchen, and there is a good amount of flow. I really like the original fireplace.
Do we know if it's functioning?
This would be something that we would include an inspection contingency, or you could put a gas or electric insert in for around $5,000.
The wood just has a little bit of a more homey feel to me.
It does, but convenience.
We could get a candle that smells like a natural wood fire.
These look like maybe even original windows.
The interior side, this window is likely the original, and then this part is new, and it is going to help with your utility costs.
It'll be a little different not having an island to prep food, store pots and pans. Storing stuff over here, though, that's gonna be kind of an issue. That's just a smaller kitchen. I love those blue cabinets. Now, is there a dishwasher? I don't see one.
That would be hidden behind
the
paneled doors.
Nice.
No one's gonna know we have a dishwasher.
Yeah. This door will lead to the backyard.
Wow, that's a nice backyard.
This is really nice.
So there's a little distance from the house to the garage.
So what's going on in winter? I'm gonna have to shovel here every single day to just get to work, or?
Yeah, the way that you said you get to. In addition to the garage being detached, it is not currently motorized. You will physically get out of your car to lift the door.
How much would it cost to add a motor?
2 separate garage door openers, and then having someone verify that the wires are live.
Yeah.
High ceilings for a 24 built home.
Now, with it being an old house, how does is the plumbing gonna be crumbling?
During inspection, we'll look and make sure that there aren't any defects that we can't see.
I know the inside's been redone, but you can only see what's cosmetic. I'd rather put a little more money and get that more new home and then just enjoy this. Definitely made some upgrades to the bath, but a shower curtain, think we could do something with that?
You could put in a glass door. You have 3 bedrooms up. This will be the largest bedroom.
I mean, I hope we can fit a king in here.
I think we should be able to fit our king in here.
Small closet, though. I have to hang up my suits.
The rooms are all pretty close to each other. We could, use one closet for another.
Yeah, a little confined, but,
They've done enough to the house that maybe there's not much more that I could put my own stamp on.
I love how this is completely remodeled. My sister had a terrible time renovating, so the fact that this is kind of well put together is very nice. Touch more modern would be kind of my style. Home's turning 100.
But newer and more modern comes at a price that's making Patrick nervous.
$745.
It's a new build, so it has all the updates where you don't need to renovate anything.
I do like the style of the house. It does kind of capture some of the character of the neighborhood.
I do love like the black pillars in the front and the wood shingles on the side.
Has a nice front porch.
Hey, Lindsay.
Hi, hello.
You found Patrick's front porch.
We did.
You might have some work on Patrick on that price, but
We do have a true blend of design here.
Yeah.
From a craftsman mixed with a bungalow, and then modern in the sense that there will be modern amenities because the home was built in 2023.
okay, good. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is beautiful. Open concept, modern. I like this. This is great. Oh, a gas fireplace?
Correct.
That's what I'm looking for.
Then you have the blend of the craftsman with the block of wood.
This is really nice. See, won't this be great? You can be enjoying a TV with friends or something like that. I can be making drinks. I can chat with you.
It is nice, although it's just kind of like the dining room and the living room. Everything's just kind of like all together.
I mean, there's obviously divisions. Right here is a division. You know, there's division right here. We can make it work.
And
Look at this
entertaining.
countertop. And you have like the wood paneling on the side to kind of bring it from the floors. It's a very nice modern design.
Oh, that's cool.
So the floors are nice. They're hardwood, right?
They have a hardwood on the top surface, so some room to refinish, but
Okay.
potentially not entirely hardwood. It could be a composite.
That's nice. And that gives a little character to the house.
I do like the original hardwood floors, kind of the creaky floors.
Yeah.
But it's nicely done for sure.
Well, we can add some creak to the floors if you'd like.
Yeah.
And this is nice.
Yeah, this mudroom is huge. Okay.
So this is a really nice backyard.
Yeah, I love the
mean-
grass. There's not a lot of areas to put a table or a grill.
If we want to do like a concrete patio, how much do you think that would cost?
I'd say 13 to 20.
At the price point right now, there isn't a whole lot of room for that.
Yeah.
And so, Lindsay, that's a 2-car garage,
Correct.
but we are still have to walk through the snow in the winters to get to our cars.
Yeah, but if it was attached, then we would have the driveway here, we would have no yard.
Yeah, we definitely have to have something for Bo to play around and have an
Yeah.
entertainment space.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this an actual office, not a bedroom, right?
Correct.
It's gonna be nice, like, you know, on days when I do work from home, I could just peek out, see what's going on.
If I have a little bit of work to do, I think it'd be a good office as well.
Yeah, and keep in mind there's an extra bedroom. We could have a second office for you.
True.
And the chandelier is a nice touch with the big windows. It lets in
Yeah.
lots of light.
Yeah, that's cool.
And if you go into the primary bedroom first,
Oh, this is huge.
most interesting feature to see right
Look
now.
at this closet. We
Yeah.
have plenty of space for everything we need.
Wow.
Everything.
Everything.
Well, we can like actually share a closet and not have
Yeah.
to fight over closet space. We can put a king size bed. They even have a chair, so we could maybe do something there.
Yeah. Mhm.
Ooh, bathroom. Look at the shower. It is huge. Double vanity, so we won't have to fight over sinks in the morning or anything like that.
Yeah, it's really well done. I like some of the details they put in to kind of call back to the character of the neighborhood, but there really isn't a whole lot extra to do to this home to kind of make it our own.
It is basically a done house.
Yeah, it's really well done, but I don't know, I just can't get over the price.
So their agent finds a less expensive fixer, but Schaefer might be a tough sell.
Use your imagination.
Okay.
A few $100s in elbow grease, and you could transform this into a great mudroom, into
Yeah.
an office.
Yeah.
It's just what it is now does not work. There's that fireplace.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it's wood burning.
Correct.
I love the original windows. Looks like maybe original flooring.
The wood floors are in good condition.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see some of the character that Patrick likes. I don't like it. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we could do to make it ours, but we both are starting new jobs. That could cause a lot of headache in our lives. I do like that, the little screened-in porch. That is nice to
this is
have.
cool.
So you have the charming doors.
Those are, yeah,
That
cool
open up.
doors.
Further insulation for your heating
Yeah.
and cooling.
A little claustrophobic, but you'll be fine.
But you would be sitting here.
Yeah, you know,
This
just
is
can't walk
this
over
is
there.
great. Bo would love this.
And opens up through the arch into what is a pretty expanded layout for a 1937 built home. To have the kitchen opened up to the dining room and have the wall already removed.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
nice.
and I mean, I know you like you can your own individual rooms, but this would be nice to have kind of the open floor plan, at least from the kitchen to the dining room.
Right. I love these built-ins.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I'm wondering how the electrical is.
The system itself, the mechanicals are updated.
I just noticed something,
Oh,
Wine fridge.
yeah.
but I think the cabinets need to be repainted. Don't love the backsplash.
Put new hinges, new hardware, have everything enameled.
I think something we could work on.
Is this the primary bath or just the first floor bath?
The primary bedroom bathroom I would recommend is upstairs.
Oh,
Okay.
It's quite substantial. Also, there are
And
heated floors in the bathroom. The heated
Ooh,
floors
they are on.
we're on upstairs too.
Ooh, nice.
So this could be your mid-century bar.
Like it's like a British bar even.
A little pub.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There's more space in here with
Oh, wow.
another wood-burning fireplace.
Yeah.
We can turn one to gas or something.
Okay, so now you have your attached laundry room. We have a steel door.
Okay.
Right. Careful, watch your step.
It's interesting going down to go into your garage and then go
This-
back up. It's nice that it's attached, which will be really nice in the winter.
Yeah.
Who's parking here?
Yeah. Just one car.
Yeah.
Take turns.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. A nice big backyard.
This is nice, entertaining space.
Yeah. I love the bistro lights.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love the style of the home, the character.
There are a lot of updates that we want to do. We're both starting new jobs. We're both moving here. That's a lot to do
Yeah.
in a fresh new city.
They're not going to be major renovations, so I think that's something we could maybe come to agree on.
Schaefer and Patrick's new jobs are fast approaching, so it's time to choose a home in their new city.
We're looking for something around, is that 32 inches, 34 inches? We went with the old traditional house. It's a good blend. The outside has that character that Patrick really likes.
I love seeing the old woodwork and the creaky wood floors.
But once you come inside the kitchen, it's really updated. It has the blend of a new build, modern kind of house. By 25, 24?
24.
Yeah, 675 originally. Made an offer at 635. They countered and we accepted at 640.
We had the fireplace inspected. It's not functional for wood burning. We're planning on turning it into a gas fireplace with an insert, but still keeping the original brickwork.
Go get it.
We love the neighborhood of the home.
Great walkability. It will take Bo walk along the Mississippi River.
We'll be able to park there and just walk right in.
I didn't get an attached garage, but what was even more important than an attached garage was a 2-car garage. Patrick will help out with shoveling,
Sure.
since we compromised on the garage.
Yeah.